Situated in between the Back Bay and South End neighborhoods of Boston, Massachusetts, is the Bryant, a boutique 50-unit condo development completed in 2009. These residences offer owners a modern, luxury living experience in the middle of two highly desired Boston areas. This video will review the building in depth, looking at the home features, finishes, floor plans, amenities, pricing, and location. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in the city. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the greater Boston area. If you have any questions about Boston, other luxury buildings, or real estate in general, please message me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. The Bryant Back Bay is an exclusive luxury condominium building located at 303 Columbus Avenue in Boston's prestigious Back Bay neighborhood. This elegant boutique building combines classic charm with modern sophistication, offering an upscale living experience in one of the city's most sought-after areas. Built ground up and designed with a timeless aesthetic, the Bryant features a stately brick and limestone facade that blends seamlessly with the historic architecture of the Back Bay and South End. The exterior is accented by oversized windows, clean lines, and subtle ornamental details, giving it a refined yet approachable appearance. Rising just 9 stories, the building maintains an intimate, boutique feel while providing all the amenities of a luxury residential building in Boston. The development's design reflects a commitment to craftsmanship and quality, exuding an understated elegance that complements the neighborhood's storied brownstones and tree-lined streets. Uniquely branded with a double B logo, seen throughout the exterior and interior, the building stands as a symbol of refined city living. The Bryant offers some of the largest single-floor living in the neighborhood, with most units averaging about 2,000 square feet of living space. Each home at the Bryant enjoys at least one deeded garage parking space, alongside direct elevator access to the unit. The condos offer expansive living areas, featuring soaring 9.5-foot ceilings and open floor plans, creating an inviting and spacious atmosphere. The lighting fixtures throughout these spaces are carefully selected to complement the modern yet classic interior, featuring a combination of ambient and task lighting. The interiors are adorned with red oak mahogany stained hardwood floors, adding warmth and elegance to the space. The gourmet kitchens are equipped with custom mahogany cabinetry and pristine white granite countertops, providing both functionality and an aesthetic appeal. High-end Viking appliances, including 6-burner gas ranges, wall ovens, and drawer microwaves, cater to culinary enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. The living and dining areas at the Bryant Back Bay are designed with an open-concept layout, seamlessly connecting to the gourmet kitchens, which is ideal for entertaining. The expansive, southern-facing windows in these spaces allow for abundant natural light to fill the rooms, enhancing the sense of openness and providing picturesque views of the surrounding Back Bay and South End neighborhoods. Select homes on the upper levels also feature private terraces. The Bryant Back Bay offers luxurious bedroom suites designed to provide residents with a serene retreat. Each bedroom features expansive layouts with high ceilings, creating a more open space. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room with views of the surrounding cityscape. Master suites are thoughtfully designed with spacious walk-in closets, offering ample storage for wardrobes and personal belongings. Ensuite bathrooms boast spa-like features, including marble and mosaic tile finishes, separate soaking tubs, glass-enclosed showers, and dual vanities, providing a functional and relaxing experience. The attention to detail in the design and finishes ensures that each bedroom serves as a private sanctuary within the bustling city. Homes at the Bryant consist of 2 to 4 bedroom layouts with between 1,250 and 2,810 square feet. Prices for 2 bedrooms range between $2.2 and $2.7 million. 3 bedrooms range between $2.4 and $3.2 million. 4 bedrooms range between $2.8 and $3.5 million. Rentals are available between $7,000 and $15,000 per month. HOA fees are determined based on unit square footage and cost anywhere between $1,500 and $3,500 per month. This fee includes water, master insurance, maintenance, management, security, and all amenity spaces. The Bryant Back Bay offers a comprehensive suite of premium services and amenities to offer convenience to residents' lifestyles. Upon entering the building, residents and guests are welcomed by an elegant lobby featuring marble floors and distinctive original details and artwork, setting a sophisticated tone for the property. The concierge service is available to assist with various needs, from arranging transportation to managing reservations, ensuring a seamless living experience. For those who prioritize fitness, the state-of-the-art gym is outfitted with modern equipment, including free weights and cardio machines, allowing residents to maintain their wellness routines without leaving home. As mentioned, each unit includes deeded garage parking with direct elevator access, providing secure and convenient vehicle storage in a city where parking is a premium feature. The building also offers individual storage units, catering to residents requiring extra space for their belongings. Additionally, the Bryant Back Bay is equipped with a fob system to access the building and around-the-clock monitored video security, ensuring the safety and peace of mind of its residents. Despite being a boutique building with only 50 units, the amenities, not often seen in developments of this size, collectively contribute to a luxurious and comfortable living experience in the heart of Boston. Now looking at location, situated at the intersection of Boston's Back Bay and South End neighborhoods, 303 Columbus Avenue offers residents unparalleled access to a diverse array of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. In the Back Bay, just a short walk from the residence, lies Copley Place, a premier shopping destination. Beyond Copley Place, the Back Bay neighborhood boasts a variety of upscale boutiques, renowned restaurants, and cultural landmarks. Newbury Street, famed for its historic brownstones and tree-lined streets, features an electric mix of high-end retailers, art galleries, and cafes, providing a vibrant shopping experience. The Prudential Center further enhances the retail landscape with additional shopping and dining options, ensuring that residents have access to a wide range of amenities within close proximity. Transitioning to the South End, residents of 303 Columbus Avenue find themselves immersed in a neighborhood celebrated for its artistic flair and boutique shopping experiences. The South End is characterized by its charming brick sidewalks and Victorian-style row houses, creating a picturesque setting for exploration. The area is dotted with independently owned boutiques, offering unique fashion, home decor, and baked goods. Culinary enthusiasts will appreciate the South End's dynamic dining scene, which complements its retail offerings. The neighborhood is home to a multitude of acclaimed restaurants, cafes, and bakeries, catering to a variety of palates. From farm-to-table establishments to international cuisines, the South End provides a rich tapestry of culinary delights. Additionally, the area hosts seasonal farmers markets, offering residents access to fresh, locally sourced produce and artisanal products. The strategic location of 303 Columbus Avenue, at the nexus of the Back Bay and South End neighborhoods, affords residents the luxury of immediate access to some of Boston's finest shopping, dining, and cultural amenities. Whether indulging in the upscale retail environment of the Back Bay or exploring the boutique shops and vibrant culinary scene of the South End, residents enjoy a lifestyle enriched by the diverse offerings of these two distinctive neighborhoods. 303 Columbus Ave also offers residents exceptional connectivity through a variety of transportation options. A key transit hub in close proximity is Back Bay Station, located at 145 Dartmouth Street. This station serves multiple lines, including the MBTA Orange Line, several commuter rail lines, and Amtrak services, facilitating convenient travel within Boston and to regional destinations. For local subway access, Copley Station is approximately 0.4 miles from 303 Columbus Ave, providing access to the Green Line. This line traverses key areas of the city, connecting residents to various neighborhoods and attractions. Overall, the Bryant Back Bay at 303 Columbus Ave offers an unbeatable combination of location, convenience, and lifestyle, with easy access to the best the city has to offer. It's a perfect home for those looking to live in between two of Boston's finest neighborhoods. If you'd like a tour of this building, or you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we reviewed today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.